me again. We're gonna watch another amazing video of guys who love to shove things in their bodies that aren't supposed to be there. So, we're gonna watch one guy, one blowjob. I'm really scared.
I don't know if I can watch it, I'm serious. I don't know if I can.
It's one man on job. No more. Okay. I'm sorry, we couldn't. You okay? You okay? You okay? Okay. You okay? Don't watch it. Don't watch it at all. Never.
Watch it.
Alright.